Hey everyone, welcome to SSBeauty. I am Vaibhav and today we are talking about something that makes every summer outfit complete: fragrances.
Alright ladies, let's talk about the scents that guys love on women, especially during summer. These are the fragrances that have that undeniable appeal, the ones that can make a real statement. Trust me, you'll want these in your collection.
A good fragrance is not just about smelling nice, it's like your invisible signature. It makes people remember you, and let's be honest, who does not love smelling amazing? Today, I've got 6 must-have summer perfumes for you. Whether you love fresh, floral, sweet or bold scents, there is something here for everyone. And fun fact, studies show that guys are naturally drawn to vanilla-based scents because they feel warm and comforting. So you'll notice a little pattern in today's picks. Let's get into it right away. First up, Good Girl Blush by Carolina Herrera. Now can we take a second to appreciate this bottle? It is shaped like a high heel, so stylish and so chic. Honestly, this is one of those perfumes that looks as stunning on your dresser as it smells on your skin. The scent itself is floral, citrusy and a little sweet with a warm vanilla base that makes it feel soft yet elegant. It is light and breezy, perfect for summer days when you want to feel fresh but still leave a lasting impression. And because of that touch of vanilla, it is naturally one of those scents people love being around. Next, we have Versace Yellow Diamond, and this bottle is a total showstopper. It literally looks like a gem, and trust me, the scent is just as dazzling. It is bright, citrusy, and super refreshing, like a burst of sunshine in a bottle. If you're someone who loves perfumes that feels fresh, fun, and a little luxurious, this one is a must-have. It is perfect for those long summer days when you want to smell clean and radiant without it feeling too heavy. Now let's talk about Lancôme Idôle. It's French, so that is how you pronounce it. The bottle itself is super sleek and modern. It is thin, lightweight, and just effortlessly elegant. The fragrance itself is fresh, musky, and has just the right hint of sweetness. It is perfect for everyday wear, whether you're heading to work, brunch, or a dinner date. It is light but long-lasting, so you will smell amazing all day without it feeling overpowering. If you love scents that feel feminine yet sophisticated, this one is for you. If you're looking for something bold and a little daring, YSL Libre Flower Flames is the one. This fragrance is a mix of floral, warm vanilla and just a hint of spice, making it perfect for summer nights. It is for someone who is confident, passionate and isn't afraid to take charge. It has that sultry, mysterious vibe while still being elegant. If you want a fragrance that makes a statement and lingers in the best way possible, this one's your summer secret weapon. This one is all about balance. Burberry Goddess is fresh yet warm with lavender and vanilla, making it both calming and stylish. I personally love this fragrance because it is so effortless. It is not too strong, not too sweet. It is just the right mix of cozy and sophisticated. Whether you're having a self-care day, running errands, or stepping out for coffee, this scent just works. It is the definition of less is more, but in the best way possible. And finally, we have
Vaibhav Fame. Let's talk about this bottle first.
It is probably one of the cutest perfume bottles ever. A stylish little gold robot, definitely a collector's piece. The scent is fruity, tropical and totally unique. It is a burst of juicy mango with a warm, creamy vanilla base, making it playful and bold at the same time. It is perfect for summer nights when you want something fun, energetic and totally unforgettable. And that's it. 6 amazing summer fragrances. Whether you love something fresh, floral, sweet or bold, there's a perfect scent for everyone. Fragrances aren't just about smelling good, they're about feeling good and making a lasting impression. So find the one that makes you feel like you. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite summer perfume and subscribe for more beauty content. I'll see you in the next one soon.